Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are safe children. Okay, this is your EVS class children. Today we will learn second lesson in EVS. Lesson name is Our Clothes. Lesson name is Our Clothes. Okay children, do you know animal wear clothes? No. Why? Because animal's body is covered with coats like wool, fur and thick skin. Animal's body is covered with coats like wool, fur and thick skin. Okay children? These body coats protect them from sun, wind and rain. These body coats protect them from the sun, wind and rain. Okay children, look at these pictures. What is this picture? This picture is bear. Bear body coat is what children? Bear body coat is fur. Bear body coat is fur. What is this animal? This animal is elephant. Elephant body coat is what children? Elephant body coat is thick skin. Elephant body coat is thick skin. Okay children, this is sheep. Sheep body coat is wool. Yes, very good children. Sheep body coat is wool. Okay children, look at these pictures. They are people. Yes. Do you know children, people wear clothes? Yes. People wear clothes. Why? To protect their body and skin from cold, heat and rain. People wear clothes to protect their body and skin from heat, cold and rain. Okay children, how many seasons are there? Do you know? There are 3 seasons. How many seasons are there children? There are 3 seasons. What are they? Look at the board children. Winter season, summer season, rainy season. Okay. Winter season, summer season, rainy season. Okay children, in winter season we wear which type of clothes? Woolen clothes. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. Okay children, in rainy season we wear raincoats, gumboots, rain caps, etc. Okay children. Okay children, this is winter season. Yes, we feel in winter season very cool. Yes or no? In winter season we feel very cool. Okay? Because we wear warm clothes. We wear woolen clothes. Yes. What are the examples of woolen clothes? Examples: sweaters, jackets, scarves, socks, etc. Okay children, what are the examples of woolen clothes? Sweaters, jackets, scarves and socks. Okay children, blouses, hats. Okay, like that. Next, what is the next season? Summer season. SUMMER, summer. S-E-A-S-O-N, season, summer season. Okay, in summer season we feel very hot. In summer season we feel very hot. So, in summer season we wear which type of clothes? Cotton clothes. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. Why? Because cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. And also we wear light colored clothes. We wear light colored clothes. Why? Because dark colored clothes absorb more heat than light colored clothes. Okay children, so we wear in summer season light colored clothes only. Never wear black colored clothes and dark colored clothes. Okay children, these are cotton clothes. Cotton frock, chudidar, cotton pant, cotton saree. Okay children, you understood? Okay, see children, see this picture. This is rainy season. This is rainy season. Yes or no? Rain is coming now? Yes. We all love to get wet in the rain. Yes? But it is not good always children. So, we protect ourselves from raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas. Okay. We wear in rainy season which type of clothes? Raincoats. We wear in rainy season raincoats. And we wear gumboots. Why? Gumboots are made of plastic. Gumboots are made of plastic. So they are waterproof. Yes or no? Leather shorts get spoiled when soaked in water. So we wear gumboots only in the rainy season. Okay children, see these pictures. This is, you know, yes, very good. This is raincoat. This also raincoat. What is this children? Yes, umbrella. These are gumboots. This is rain cap. Okay children, in rainy season we wear this kind of clothes. Okay children, next topic, kinds of clothes. Kinds of clothes. Okay children, do you know there are different kinds of clothes? There are different kinds of clothes. Why? Because people living in different places, so they wear different kinds of clothes. People living in different places. Yes or no? So they wear different kinds of clothes. Okay children? See this picture children. Hats, shirts, pant, frock, dress top, okay, t-shirts, saree, chudidars, okay, lalchi pajama, frocks and pants. These are different kinds of clothes. Yes or no? All are same clothes? No. There are different kinds of clothes. See this children. In kinds of clothes, common clothes are there, formal clothes are there and casual clothes. There are common clothes, formal clothes and casual clothes. Okay children, what are the common clothes? We wear in daily, we wear common clothes. Yes or no? What are the formal clothes? Formal clothes means when your father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. Okay, children, understand? What are the formal clothes? When your father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. Okay, children, what are the casual clothes? When he goes to market, he wears casual clothes. Okay, children. We will revise once again, children. See again. Look at the board, children. Kinds of clothes. Okay. One is common clothes. Second one is formal clothes. Third one is casual clothes. Okay, children. One is common clothes. We wear in daily life. These are common clothes. What are the formal clothes? When your father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. Okay. When your father or mother goes to market, he or she wears casual clothes. Okay, children. One is common clothes. Second one is formal clothes. Third one is casual clothes. Okay, children. Learn in this lesson how many seasons are there, what are they, and in summer season or winter season and rainy season we wear which type of clothes. What are the examples of summer season, winter season and rainy season? Okay. And kinds of clothes. Okay, children? We will meet again, children. Thank you.